Hi, welcome to channel KK Art Universe. Today we're gonna create a Kerala boat using cardboard, a umbrella, Kathakali and Onam girl. Take a cardboard, cut it like a boat shape, cut two pieces and a thin sheet, then paste one by one using a mask tape like this. Cover it fully. Bend it and then take another cardboard, cover it. Now base is ready. Now take a white plastic sheet, cover it fully. Take a Fevicryl black color. I'm using acrylic color. Paint fully. Now take a cardboard and paste it. Now take gold color. I'm using pearl metallic color. Then paint it. Small line and then paint it. Apply dot. And then line. And then dot. Take a thin cardboard, roll it. Now paste it. And then apply gold color. Now base is fully ready. Then take a cardboard. Now we're going to make umbrella. Apply a pink color, orange, and then red color sketch, and then green color. Cut it. Now paste pearl. Now take another cardboard. Now we're going to sketch Kathakali, starting with the blue color, and then black, orange, and then yellow. Then again blue. And then red. And then red, orange. And then light green for face. Red, yellow. And then green dots, light green, pink color, and then orange, and then skin tone color, and then drawing eye, nose and lips. Now Kathakali is ready. And finally with white. Cut it. Now two pieces is ready. Then paste it using mask tape. Like this. Now take a stick and a black chart and then paste it. Now draw a man, cut it and then paste it like this. Now we're going to sketch Onam girl starting with green color. And then brown. Black color. And then skin tone. Darker shade. And then yellow. And then white. And then face. Now Onam girl is ready. Finally with white color. And then cut it. Now Onam girl is ready. And paste it. Now Kerala boat with umbrella, Kathakali and Onam girl is finally ready. Thanks for watching KK Artisanals. Do like, share and subscribe.